Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have T-Mobile Tuesday.
So what if it's not Tuesday, but we talk first, lady?
Yes. So we had T-Mobile Tuesday. All of this meal was free. Yes, it was. Yes, it was.
Free.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes, it was.
Yes.
Okay. It was.
So
all of it was free, so we couldn't resist. And the good thing about T-Mobile Tuesday is that if you save it inside the app, you can use it for like 7 days.
It was 7 days, probably like.
I think it was like 7 days, like a week, until the next Tuesday.
Probably so. I don't know.
So today is Thursday, and we eating T-Mobile Tuesday on a Thursday.
Yep. That's what we do over here.
All right. So we are going to dig in. We are still going to have our Fast Food Friday. That was catered by a very special person.
Yes, and just watch that video. You will see. Hey, and we got mail.
We got mail?
We got mail.
So you went and checked the P.O box and you didn't tell me that we got mail?
Remember, you gave me P.O box duty and you gave me email duty. So you want to take it back?
Yeah, but you didn't tell me that we got mail.
I don't have to tell you got mail. We got mail, okay? That's
so
what
you don't. So we don't communicate now. That's what we're doing now in our marriage. We don't communicate.
Listen, family. She had me the T-Mobile. She had me the Gmail duty and gave me P.O box duty. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta make sure I'm on top of it. You know what I'm saying?
So that means you don't tell me when we get a package.
We got mail. All right, family. So first off, let me get my. I'll be back. Let me get my. Grace, you know what's to in the race. Angel Eyes, you already know what time it is. And then you know we got this here too. Come on now. They can say, oh, how they eating fried chicken today? It's not fast. Where's the cook? No, it's not Fast Food Friday. You just have to get it.
It's free. You gotta get
Free
it.
Food Thursday.
I'm a title of that.
Yeah, Free Food Thursday. That's right.
Oh, I'm sorry, family. So I have red beans and rice. I have mashed potatoes. I have shrimp. I have chicken legs, some biscuits. Richie have fries back here hidden under all of this chicken.
Yes, loveliness.
Okay, so he got 2 breasts. He got 3 breasts. Or is it 2 breasts and a thigh? I don't know what he got, but he got a whole lot of food over there.
I got a whole lot of Mama Jama. But first, let me taste it first. Hold on. Okay. Remember what I said?
What you said?
Earlier.
Oh.
Okay. Alright. You think if I give him a piece, cause you know I'm not a thigh person, but I'm gonna give him a piece of thigh, cause you know I love my breast.
Yeah.
Okay. Family, I love my breast and I don't like thigh like that. So you take a big bite first here. It's not RFC, but it's good. It look like the RFC, right? Comment down. I want you to be honest. Does it look like the RFC? Here,
it's not RFC, but it's fine with me.
It's fine. Oh my God. When you rhyme sometime, it makes me want to climb.
Okay. Okay.
Crunchy.
I'm gonna let you guys taste a shrimp. Since Richie let you taste a chicken, taste a shrimp. This is a shrimp. I've never had Popeye shrimp before.
Me neither.
Or if I did, I don't remember. And here you guys go. Ow!
What happened to you?
Somebody bit my finger.
No, they couldn't do that.
What the? This is what I'm gonna share with them. You guys have to bite my hand.
Oh no, they can't do that, First Lady.
The one Elaine Knight
What?
bit my finger.
Oh no, Elena, you gonna do that to First Lady? What? I can tell why you bit her finger. Cause you know, every time First Lady share her food, you know it's probably raining outside. I know you looking through your window. Don't do that.
No, Mr. She
bite your finger.
Yeah,
man, you deserve it. Cause say you don't give her none. Oh my gosh, someone took out your fingers, huh? It's all good. Here's your first day. Yes, thank you. The burger, you didn't want to share in a long time.
Well,
Family.
I'm not gonna be sharing now. I couldn't bite off my finger.
Keep tuned in, cause I gotta ask you something in the video, so you never know when I'm gonna ask it. So just stay tuned in.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
I'm
hot.
hot. Yeah, it's hot. You know I like my food so hot.
Mmm.
Family, I don't like Thai, as I said before, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm hungry. But listen. So you don't know when I'm gonna say it in the video, so it's a trivia question. So I know you pay attention, so y'all see.
That's good.
Right, who good?
You know what?
Piping hot.
No, you know what? Yeah, I know it's so good too.
It's free.
No.
I got chicken. I'm surprised you're not using the 2-time.
I was gonna
Yeah.
put some honey and hot sauce, but I feel like getting up.
Why you tell me to get it? We're gonna get it?
Thank you, though.
If you want, I'll go get it for you, no? I want to.
I'm okay, my love.
Okay. I make sure first lady alright, you know, because I gotta make sure first lady enjoy her food. If first lady don't enjoy her food, I don't enjoy my food, even though it's me. You want napkin?
No, wait, is it today?
You have enough napkin up there already?
Yeah. My napkins are right.
How you doing today? It's been a minute since we ate Popeye too.
It has.
The last time we ate Popeye was when we did a Popeye challenge. Was it that?
I don't know. Or was it when it was free again?
Yeah, I think it was free.
I don't remember.
I think it was when it was free.
I'm telling you. This world is filled with a lot of food.
Yep. At first lady got a lot of food apps.
I always wonder, where did you get all this food from?
For real.
No, really, like,
You always say that.
yeah. Chicken,
Well,
we wouldn't be able to find the hot sauce and honey anyway. Everything is put away. Like something like chicken. There's so much people in the world. Where the hell did they get all that chicken from?
Chicken farm. This is how I like my breasts. A little bit dry, but still not, you know, still good. Chewable.
Yeah, it's weird. Because he likes it dry, but not too dry.
You know me.
I know. So it's almost like the outside could be dry, but the inside still have to be moist. I don't know. But when he fried his chicken, it comes out good. Extremely good. Let me get my chicken, yeah?
You can chicken one.
I always feel like Popeye's chicken,
What?
when they say if you want spicy or mild,
A beer mild than you.
I bear mild and good because I would never taste no pepper.
Then you in between. And then if you said in between chicken.
I'm gonna
Taste no pepper.
No pepper. Honey, you want to taste one of the shrimps?
Yeah, you man. Eat your food.
I forgot to ask you. I'm sorry.
Good. You have enough food anyway. I can't get any food now. Your food?
The biscuit got me full.
Wow.
But biscuit is good.
I don't know what they put in that Grace ketchup. That Grace ketchup is nice. It's just sweet.
Yeah. Popeye's biscuit is the best when it's just fresh out of the oven.
When it's fresh.
Yeah. You gotta get it fresh.
When you sit on there so long, it's like you're gonna bust your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a KFC in this channel, honey?
One time we eat here, see we're going to Jamaica.
Yeah, I don't think I can do it. Maybe that's why you guys haven't seen it
Yeah.
on the channel.
First, you don't like American KFC.
Yeah, when we go to Jamaica,
We sure are going. So Angel Island, when we come down there, we're going to do a KFC mukbang.
yeah,
Okay?
as we land and we reach a Spanish town,
Yep.
right at Damed. That's where we're from. I'm from Damed, but which is about 5 minutes from me in Jamaica.
We know.
That's where we go to the KFC at. That's our KFC. If you're in Jamaica, and you live in Spanish Town,
by Angels,
or you live by Angels, and damn it, big up yourself.
Yep. So that's what we're gonna do in when we touch down. Yo, you killed that thing today, man.
For real.
Why ain't get large?
That didn't be too much. It's just right. I should have told him extra gravy. But they had put enough gravy in here though.
First said he loved that.
Yeah.
First said he body that joint, son. Grace, you don't see us now, but sooner or later you're gonna see us though.
Ooh.
When it's too late, because the race is already done. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna give you a piece of my breast. Can I say that? You're giving one piece of chicken. Alright, take a piece of the breast. There we go. Take a good beat. Alright, there we go. Alright. Okay. Wait a little bit more. Okay, you back now? Okay, here. Good. Alright.
So they didn't bite your hand?
I always share. They were waiting for you. One time, I tell you, I was say, don't put it in because I know somebody either gonna bite it or grab you.
You tell me they didn't bite your hand. That's messed up. I don't know if I can trust them.
They're not gonna bite my hand.
Because you're always feeding them.
Yes. Even though I eat enough, I always feed them.
It's true.
That's true, right?
Popeyes shrimp. Will I order it again?
Yeah.
If I felt like it,
Yeah.
I'm in the mood for it.
Yeah.
But because it is free, you know, that's how I taste it.
No, that's your specialty.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Be honest. Popeye chicken, will I order it again? Hell yeah. You know what I mean?
Ooh.
We get the story already?
What story?
We went to Popeye with a thing. Spider.
Oh no, so I can't tell us right now. That's why me and Popeyes, Mayu. You must have mad. We have a story about Popeye, but I can't tell that story right now because then I won't eat the food. And I can't, don't bring that up. Sure. It took me about 5 years to start eating Popeyes again.
You remember you put Pommy in the Popeye part, the prank, or you put Pommy?
Stop telling a lie. No. You go try to embarrass me.
Not embarrassing. Prank, man. 2 times, man. Trust me.
Let's have a look. So you gonna play basketball tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm gonna bust their ass.
You excited?
Excited, right now I can't even sleep. All I'm thinking about it, I already put my outfit and my shoes I'm gonna wear.
Oh Lord. Listen, this guy is obsessed with basketball, you know? Obsessed.
Family, I've not stopped playing basketball till I can't walk.
God forbid.
God forbid. In a good way.
Yeah.
And I'm old.
You're old.
I love it.
If you tell Richie that you pick
Let me tell me what.
that you're picking him up to play basketball on Monday, and you told him Friday, every day until that day, Richie talking about it. Every day. And whoever called him and say they're gonna take him to play basketball, mind you, Richie goes on his own to play basketball. That's not what I'm saying. But if you call him and you come out of your mouth and tell him you're gonna take him to this place to play basketball, and the crowd is good, because he loves a good challenge game. Like he loves people who can play.
Family.
Let me tell you my story.
I'm built for the light. I love the light.
Yes. So, and if you call Richie on the Monday, well, you're supposed to come pick him up and you not come, and you call him and tell him, say, you're not come again. Translation, and you call him and tell him that you're not coming anymore.
Hell, I go on.
Mr. Richie pissed.
I'll be pissed, family.
Because he love basketball.
I love basketball, family. Eat, sleep, basketball.
My friend keep on dropping. He's supposed to show out of the shoulder today again.
Make sure you drop by itself and nobody not try to pull it down. Or I know some guy be watching. Family,
God.
listen. Okay. Yeah, reach as far. What's missing out of the video today? Comment down if you know.
Yes.
I know y'all pay attention. So what's missing out of our video today? Okay? Y'all know All right.
All right. And I just gave you a hint.
Okay. All right. Who do you think gonna get it?
I don't know because we have a lot of nosy people in us because them nosy bad.
They pay attention. That's one thing. Man.
Yeah.
When they watch us, they don't skip. They don't skip. Because some stuff they say in the comments, I'm gonna go back there. No, what the hell? They really watch. We appreciate y'all for that.
Yeah, we do.
We really appreciate y'all for that. We like y'all to watch. You know, what happened? Hot?
Yes, it's.
I know. And this I'm dipping in there. Yep, we truly appreciate y'all for that.
Wow. This reminds me of when we did the challenge.
Like I'm saying, I think that was the last time we ate Popeyes like on the channel. That was a minute ago.
I can't believe I did it.
You did good.
If you don't know that video, go watch it.
Go watch it. Okay. Alright. Package time. Chop too much, you know.
Follow fashion stuff.
And see? Ain't no script over here.
Yo.
Wait up. No other than Twin Green. Big up yourself, brother. You know the thing said blessings.
Yo, nobody not getting at this.
Twin Green. If somebody's supposed to get in this, they're really a thief.
Really a thief.
Yeah, you gotta be
strong thief. That's messed up. That's somebody trying to take
Happy
out
anniversary. Okay.
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 What? Our anniversary is coming up.
Okay. Okay. Did you say something about our anniversary?
How do you remember that?
Twin Green. Oh boy, we're hard.
Hard.
Okay, it says here first lady, grab that.
This one says happy anniversary.
Read that.
Wow.
I think you mentioned some. Did
that was last year.
Well,
I haven't mentioned.
Twin Green got good memory.
It's your birthday, Pastor Richie. Yo.
Go ahead, first lady.
No, this is
this we gotta show you. First lady, show them mirrors.
Look at that.
Okay. All right. Twin Green, you already know, family. You know what it is. We appreciate you always. You know. Look at that, family. All right, first lady. Damn.
Huh.
Wow. Happy anniversary.
Yeah. Blessing family, I want to wish you both a very happy anniversary. I did my research and I believe this makes year 20. I hope I'm right, laugh out loud. I just want to say no matter how many years it has been, you both are shining example of what black love should look like. I watch you and strive to be a better husband and father. You are real and genuine. The way you show true black love for each other. Continue to love on each other through the ups and downs no matter what. As this gift shows you are each and as this gift shows you are each a piece and needs others to be whole.
Wow.
Mad love for you both.
Wow.
And he said his name, aka Twin. I'm not gonna say his name because on YouTube he says. So I'm gonna open.
Wow.
No wait. No. Hold on. You know why? Why I'm smiling?
Wow.
Yeah. This is Yeah. That was very nice.
That was very nice.
Okay. Let's see. What's up, honey? My body risk, honey. I can't open this.
Here, I'm cutting it for you.
Yeah.
I got it. I just easy cut. I'm cutting it for you.
Wait a minute. Oh!
Hold on, don't tell me.
Wait, don't tell us. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Don't do that. I don't do that. Let me see what it is, First Lady. Wow. For sure, I can't remember. Wow. First Lady got her own shirt, her own cup. That's Twin Green. That's tough.
Look at.
We appreciate you with the pizza. That's a pizza in the front. Oh my God.
And
20 years. Wow.
This guy right here.
Don't wait! Hey! We winning over here.
What's so extra?
Hey, give up their shirt. You know.
Hold on. Don't grab for me again.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sexy.
Okay. Go ahead.
Wow. Oh, so you got the whole pie and you give me a half a pie, half a slice.
Yes. Whole, and you make it. You put it on my pie. That is, yo. This guy is creative.
I know. We appreciate you. Hey, you know what we're gonna rock this with? Guess what we're gonna rock this with? You got a lot of shoes to go with it too.
I know, but we're gonna rock it with our Adidas box.
Twin Green, you know we got the Adidas. You know we got to rock with the black and white.
Adidas.
Oh my God. We appreciate you, Twin Green. You already know what it is. Pastor Richie.
You don't even know. Because look, you gotta see.
Yeah.
You know? You put them together. It makes a whole pie.
A whole pie. Here we go. Happy birthday, Pastor Richie. Blessing, brother. I hope you have an amazing birthday. This is just a little something to keep it spicy. Laugh out loud. Twin Green, don't do that. You want something in that stomach? Don't do that. I cannot wait until you both visit NYC so we can shake it out and have a blast. I got some secret foodie places to show you. AKA Twin Green. Twin Green, you know we there. Don't worry. Anywhere we are, we hollering at you, Twin Green.
Anytime we come to New York, we hollering.
Come on now. We don't live like that. We can't wait. All right. They couldn't get in this. All right. What we got?
Wait. Pause. Stop.
What?
So you mean to tell me that the people that want to try T-Film package and take my first lady shot?
No way, but they couldn't wear that, cause we'd have to find them. They couldn't wear our first lady shirt and Pastor Richie shirt. Hey, we don't do that over here. Twin Green, we appreciate that.
So what I was saying was, sorry, because Twin Green said that somebody tried to take our package.
Yes.
And he had to repackage it. So I was saying, imagine they took our package and got my shirt.
It's only one first lady.
Yeah, man,
and it's only one Pastor Richie. No, what you call them? No duplicate.
But I wouldn't have got my shirt.
No camouflage. Don't worry, we got it. Let's see what Twin Green talk about in your spices. Let me see what you got in here. My family. Damn, Twin Green got mad stuff in this. Oh, well packaged, okay. Hey, look. This is nice.
Why we so loud?
This is nice. Show the family.
Yo. Food truck finds. Foodie finds. Look at that.
Wow.
All different types of hot sauce.
Wow.
Yo. Look at this one.
Well, look on the Rastaman one.
Yeah, but notice that one's spicy, you know?
Yo, mango habanero, chipotle pepper hot sauce.
Ooh, that one sounds good.
Mexican Asian fusion. Garlic habanero. What would the next one say? Taste of bomb. Oh my gosh, don't do that. All right.
Yes.
Twin Green, you know we got that right there.
So now we got to cook something just to eat it.
Let's see what's going on with this one. Make sure I don't miss nothing out. Make sure it looks nice. Oh, this is a set. Do not separate. Fragile.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what's going on.
Ooh.
Look at that one.
Ooh.
I never seen that kind before.
I never seen this before.
I never seen that before. Where we been?
Where'd he get this from? I've never seen this before.
I never seen that graze before. Family, comment down if you've seen that. Our Jamaican family, if you ever seen this before. This is Grace right here.
Let us know, because we've been in the dark.
We've been in the dark, and it's from Grace.
Sorry, baby love.
Okay, green scotch bonnet, hot pepper sauce. Okay, yeah. I gotta try that.
Oh, that's a nice color too.
That's a nice.
Yeah, like a nice green. Yo, honey, I know that's spicy, you know.
Like you?
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, we got two bottles.
Two bottles.
Yeah, man.
So one is mine and one is yours.
One for me.
What's mine is yours.
You're so thoughtful.
All right, family.
My shirt. And it fits perfect tuna.
Ready? Listen to this. The soul that have seen the darkest days can shine the brightest light.
The person who has been through the toughest times.
Thank you, First Lady. Thank you, First Lady.
Can really be the most, like, eventually get to the happiest part of their life.
Thank you, First Lady.
And show others as well.
Thank you. That's why I said that one, because I know First Lady got to elaborate on that, you know?
I love that one.
But again, we appreciate you, Twin Green. Appreciate you. I ain't gonna lie. First thing we gonna say, welcome to the Greedy Couple, where we talk about anything, and we also get amazing gifts. So you need to come join us. You know what I'm saying?
You're missing out.
You're missing out. This is First Lady, aka Shanice, and this is Richie, aka Pastor Richie. Appreciate you again, Twin Green. First Lady, they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.